this is Angry Bird Fight episode 8. We've got 35,000 views. Over 35. We've got 35 and 536 minutes. Yeah, we'll just play with the other birds, I guess. Angry Bird Fight 7. Right, you ready? 3. Devin, get back. Come on, Devin. 3. Come on, Devin. 2. You gotta get that. 3, 2, 1, go! Devin, team! Make sure you don't get the camera. Come on, baby. Ow. Come on, baby. Try and get it. Oh, that hit me on the back of the head. Yes.
Oh, God.
Ow.
You're getting it now, Devin.
Come on, get me.
Oh, my goodness.
Come on, you gotta come over here. Come on then. Devin! Oh my God. Alex, you've got to be further forward. The camera's
Okay, Devin, team.
Team.
Yes.
Come on then. That's your side. You stay there. Come on.
All right, let's have fight now.
Yeah, stay there. Just, yeah, my bad.
Same with you, though, Sam.
Listen, wait.
Pass it to me, Devin. Pass that one to me. Pass one of them to me.
Oh,
Okay, here we go.
the painful one! Ow! You can kill people as well. It's gonna go for me. And then it only is for me. Just get these birds. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was great. Ah! Alex, you gotta come down here. Alex, team!
Team.
Oh, come on. Wow.
No! Oh, I nearly hit the cam.
Don't hit the camera. You're out. Oh my God, it hit the rabbit up. What time are we? 3:24. Right, guys, 3:27. Right, guys, thanks for watching this video of the Angry Bird Fight, episode 8. Stay tuned for more videos with me, Alex and Devin. And yeah, really, yeah, please like and subscribe.